Ah, mushrooms. Everybody loves mushrooms, right?
I like mushrooms. I'll take it.
Yeah.
Mario, seriously, what were you thinking with that commercial?
What? It's supposed to be funny.
Ooh, I can make that. I'm gonna need to power up with this pasta. Let's go! Start by sauteing finely chopped onions with some sliced mushrooms, a dash of red pepper flakes, and some minced garlic. You want to saute until the onions and mushrooms have softened and the garlic is nice and fragrant. When the onions are just starting to brown, deglaze the skillet with white wine and stir until the wine has come to a simmer and about half of it has cooked off. If your pan is hot enough, this should only take a few minutes. Once reduced, toss in fresh Italian flat leaf parsley and freshly grated Parmesan cheese and stir until the Parmesan is melted together with the liquids and has thickened up. Next, pour in about a cup of reserved pasta water. The water from the pasta boiling will contain starches from the pasta and help the sauce adhere to the noodles. Then stir in some heavy cream for a silky smooth sauce. Bring to a low simmer to thicken up the sauce before tossing in the cooked linguine. Slowly fold and toss the noodles to get them completely coated in the sauce and evenly distribute the mushrooms and onions. Finally, add the remaining chopped parsley for a beautiful pop of color. And of course, don't forget the most important step. Serve the dish Mario style by picking out all of the mushrooms. It's creamy, savory, and has the perfect pop of flavors. Plus, it comes together faster than you can defeat every level in Bowser's Castle. What fictional feast should I make next? Let me know in the comments below. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to flip that sub button and ring the dinner bell so you can be notified of my latest recipes and foodie adventures that I post every week. Do you ever get hungry? You can find this recipe with ingredient amounts and step-by-step instructions over on thestarvingchefblog.com. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next episode.